everyone. Today we topic meaning of relevance of history. The relevance of history lies in its capacity to bridge the past, present, and future. It's helped to understand how today's social, political, economic, and cultural system involved provides value lessons from past success and failures to guide informed decision making, shape personal and collective identities by connecting to us, our heritage, develop critical thinking skills through analyzing source and interpreting evidence, and fostering empathy and global awareness by exposing us to diverse perspectives and shared human experience across time and cultures.
Historical reading discussion. Meaning of history or historia, inquiry and investigation. The word history comes from the Greek word historia, which means inquiry or investigation. This shows that history is not simply the study of past events, but a process of asking questions and examining evidence. Historians investigate what happened, why it happened, and how it influenced people and societies. Through this inquiry, history helps us understand how the past connects to the present. So, subject matter of history: human beliefs, practices, institutions, and experience. The subject matter of history focuses on human experiences. It studies people beliefs, practices, institutions, and ways of life over time. History examines how societies develop the cultures, governments, religions, and social systems. It also looks how people respond to important events such as conflicts, changes, and movements.
Traditional versus modern views. Traditional: no document, no history. Historically, if it wasn't written down, it didn't happen. This unfairly ignored indigenous groups and the poor who didn't live written records. Modern: we use new sources like oral traditions, songs, artifacts, and architecture to tell the full story of humanity. Relevance of history: it tells us who we are and where we came from. History acts as a negative signpost. It might not tell us exactly where to go, but it warns us about the mistakes we should avoid repeating.
Hello guys, my name is Danoy Dipuna and we are group 1. So now we are interviewing two people. So what is your name, sir?
Daniel Binsi.
So Vinci. So we're gonna interview Vinci. So the first question is, why do you need to study Philippine history?
We need to study Philippine history because I hope us to understand the how we Filipino and our nation come to be by learn about the past. Our struggles developed by our culture and tradition. We gain our strengthens national identity.
So, sir, for the second question, as a student, why do we need to study Philippine history?
As a student, we need to study Philippine history because it helps Filipinos to our identity to roots as a Filipino learner and about experience and struggles, appreciate our culture. That's all.
So, sir, first question. Why do we need to study history?
We study history because it helps us understand how the present came to be.
Oh.
History teaches us about past events, decisions, and experiences that shape societies, culture, and nations. By learning history, we gain lessons from both success and mistakes, which guide us in making better choice today. It also develops critical thinking by encouraging us to analyze sources, understand different perspective, and recognize pattern of change and community over time.
So, second question, sir. As a student, why do we need to study history?
Studying Philippine history is important to me as a student because it helps me understand my identity as a Filipino. It allows me to appreciate the struggles, sacrifice, and achievements of our heroes and ancestors who fought for reading democracy and national sovereignty. Learning Philippine history also helps me become more aware of social issues, cultural diversity, and the roots of our traditions and beliefs.
Understanding the history. I used to think history was just memorizing facts, but now I know it's about exploring how belief, practices, and culture have shaped our world. It goes beyond written records to include oral tradition and artifacts and center on what's meaningful to each community. And then the next relevance to student today. History help us to build identity, understand the current problem, and think critically. It gives us context to every subject we study and teaches us to value diversity, making it essential for navigating our modern world. And then the effects of ignoring history is without history, we risk repeating the past mistake, struggle to make sense of social issues, and lose our shared sense of identity. We become vulnerable to misinformation and can't plan wisely for the future.
Conclusion. Conclusion question number 1. Main idea of meanings and relevance of history. The main idea of meanings and relevance of history is that history is not just a record of past events, but a meaningful study of human experiences, decisions, and changes over time. And for the question number 2 is importance of continuing to study history. Continuing to study history is important because it teaches us a valuable lessons from past successors and mistakes. History builds critical thinking, strengthens cultural identity, and help us make informed decisions for the future.
A student because it helps me. Siguro yung malipat ko yan.
Ganito, remote ako sa to,
Sir, may I ask a question?
Ay sa! Time first!
Di na ka? Ayan. So, sir, for the second question, as a student, why do we need to study Philippine history?
study na po.
Unsa pa ba na mo maingon?
Wala niyo